G'day guys, let's talk soft washing and this particular skid system which will allow you to adapt. If you haven't seen our other videos, check out Blue Tongue Industries on YouTube. There's multiple genre and multiple categories of videos that you might find very interesting. We've posted videos before on 12 volt fully proportioned systems and also Honda and P40 proportioned and remote control skid mounted systems. But this skid system will allow you to adapt. So if you're starting simple with a 12 volt batch mix system, and then as your business grows or the work requirement needs, you can then add a proportioner, you can add a remote, all without drilling a hole. So purpose built for the soft wash industry. Hoses, reels, tanks, etc. accessories, parts can all be seen on our website at bluetongueindustries.com.au. Let's take an overview of this particular system. Flush valve, very important for long-term longevity of your pump. This particular system is set up with a Delavan 12 volt pump at 26.8 litres a minute. It's not internally switched or remote switched, so we do have that remote switch away from the pump on the Delavan pump systems. 120 amp hour deep cycle battery, an IP65 battery charger tucked up underneath to monitor and maintain that battery when you plug it into power of a night time to recharge the system. Hose reels is a choice. You can see all those at bluetongueindustries.com.au. 50 metres of 1/2 inch hose to suit those pressure cleaning requirements. Upgraded swivels, tanks alike. We have a 150 litre tank on the back as a solution mix for your batch mix system. The hose is just going into the top of that, but it will be uni-seal and will allow the customer to do that depending on what side of the tank he wishes to put that suction hose into. So strainer on the end of that hose as well with titanium clamp. So pump choice, without drilling a hole, this Delavan 26.5 litre a minute 100 psi pump. The Everflow pump range is also available. The smallest 8.3 litre a minute, jumping up to 15 litre a minute, then the 20.8 litre a minute. The new 24 volt Everflow pumps have just hit us, so all those pumps can be configured and placed in this batch mix system. The 24 volt will obviously require 2 batteries and a different battery charger, but that can all be supplied by us here at Blue Tongue Industries. You want to move away from battery power with a 12 volt or 24 volt, we can then put the Honda and P40 straight into this skid arrangement. Add the proportioner, add the remote, we move you in another direction. So this system will grow with you. So purpose-built applicator gun, the system is turned on by a remote switch, quick disconnect to allow you to flick between different application and guns and lances. So we have a few different tips. 25 degree 500. So if we're doing flat work, driveways, decks, you can see the application there is quite substantial. We'll drop back to the smallest. So this tip is a 9.0, and you'll hear that the pressure switch on the pump is not satisfied, but if you need a little bit of solution at height under a needle jet, the 9.0 nozzle will do that for you. Going over to a 3.0 pencil jet, and you can see that from an application perspective and a distance quite far. Quite a bit of impact. About 9 metres on the warehouse, and you can see we're just up above that. So quite impressive on a 12 volt system. If we go a bit larger with the chem injection nozzles, so this is a 5.0 pencil jet. We're going to reduce our overspray, get a bit more solution at height, and if we shoot at height, you can see there that the distance there is they're quite impressive as well. So I hope this gives you a good overview of the soft wash equipment that we're doing here in Australia at Blue Tongue Industries. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Check out all our other videos on this particular YouTube channel. If you want to know and talk soft wash or anything else we do, drop us a line. We'll catch you on the next video.